Hello traders. Welcome to this week's Forex Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss about US dollar and Canadian dollar pair. Why the pair US dollar to Canadian dollar is one of the interesting pair to watch for this week. This week, the economic focus will be on key data releases from the United States and Canada, providing critical insights into the health of their respective economies. Canada will release its Consumer Price Index or CPI data for May, which will reveal the extent of inflationary pressures in the Canadian economy. Market analysts expect the CPI to show a change compared to the previous month. Following Canada's CPI data, attention will shift to the United States as the Conference Board releases the Consumer Confidence Index for June. The index is expected to come in slightly lower than the previous month. This data point is crucial as consumer confidence is closely tied to consumer spending, which drives a significant portion of the U.S. economy. On Thursday, the focus will return to the U.S. with the release of the final GDP for the first quarter of 2019. The GDP is expected to show a growth rate, up from the previous estimate. Additionally, U.S. unemployment claims data will be released, with analysts forecasting claims compared to the previous. These data points will provide valuable insights into the strength of the U.S. economy and could influence future monetary policy decisions by the Federal Reserve. In Canada, Friday will bring the release of the GDP data for April. Analysts expect the GDP to show a change, indicating modest growth compared to the previous month's flat growth. In the U.S., the core PCE price index for May will be released, expected to show a change compared to the previous. This index is closely watched by the Federal Reserve as it is the preferred measure of inflation. Overall, this week's economic data releases from the US and Canada will provide valuable insights into the health of their economies and could impact future monetary policy decisions. Investors and analysts will be closely watching these releases for any signs of economic strength or weakness. Now, what the technical chart shown us. Let's go to the chart now. Okay, now we have opened the daily chart of US dollar to Canadian dollar. We can see that the pair has been moving lower for the past few days. The stochastic indicator, trending lower towards the oversold area, suggests that US dollar to Canadian dollar may continue to move in a downward direction. We have identified resistance levels at 1.3737 and 1.3826, while the support levels are at 1.3622 and 1.3535. If the price continues to move lower and reaches the support level, there is a potential for a 70 to 100 pip decline. Remember to always be aware of your risk management before entering any positions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.